All right guys, Eddie San Juan here with another quick cut. Just want to show you guys one of the cool devices we get to use here. So this is something that's come along since I've been out here, and it's a really awesome invention if you've ever done it the old way. This is a pneumatic clamping gun. It allows us to very accurately dial in the amount of pressure that we're going to be putting and put it consistently across our products. It's really added a lot to our consistency over each one, and man, it makes it so much faster than doing this by hand. I'll show you how it works here. A lot faster than tightening by hand. So that's a quick cut behind the scenes to show you some of the tools we use.